Here from Isolator Fitness, I'm here to give you a detailed breakdown of our 6-meal ISO bag in our most popular color, the blackout. If you need to carry 6 to 8 meals, whether it's all for you or whether you're packing enough for you and the family while you're out of the house, this bag is the one for you. The dimensions of this bag are 18 by 9 by 8 inches, and it weighs about 4.5 pounds. All of our bags are made in the USA with the highest quality materials and YKK zippers. This bag comes with a front-loading compartment that can hold 6 of our largest containers or 8 of any of our other sizes. In the top storage compartment, this bag can hold one 12 or 16-ounce food container. This is also a great place for any gym essentials such as headphones. It comes with 2 insulated side pockets for shaker bottles. It also comes with 2 mesh pockets for snacks, wallet, keys, or anything else you might need. It comes with a comfortable, detachable shoulder strap. 3 12-ounce ISO bricks are included, which will keep your food cold for 12 to 16 hours. Each bag comes with BPA-free, microwave-safe, and dishwasher-safe containers. This bag comes with 6 16-ounce, 2 12-ounce, 2 28-ounce, and 2 38-ounce meal prep containers. Meal management is important for any goal, whether you're looking to improve your health or change your body. We have an ISO bag for every goal and lifestyle.